AMS, as you said, is a large collaboration with many European institutes participating. CERN is a European organization with a lot of experience in detector construction, in assembly of detectors, so we were helping there, the AMS collaboration. There's a special clean room at CERN within which the experiment was built together. Secondly, you have to calibrate such a detector, such an experiment, before you send it to space. So we used the CERN test beam facilities in order to calibrate that detector. And thirdly, and that's very nice, for the next years, we are in the Science Operations Center here at CERN for AMS. That means we will have a direct link to the International Space Station, and we'll get the data here, and people will be here to analyze these data. So that's very exciting. So first of all, it shows that independent if you have space-based or ground-based experiments, they can use and very often use similar or even the same technologies for the experiments, for the detectors. And they also address similar questions. For example, where is the antimatter in space? Why is there essentially no more antimatter in space? These are questions which AMS will address, because they are looking for antimatter in space. And the LHC will address the question, why the antimatter has more or less disappeared. So very complementary attempts to look at a similar question. No, I think it will be a very nice competitive collaboration or collaborative competition, as you want to express it. I think you will never solve basic questions, find the answers to basic questions only by looking with one method. You usually need different methods in order to finally pin down the answer on such basic questions. So again, AMS will look from a certain angle on that question to find an answer. LHC will look on from a different angle on that question, and only the whole picture together, the answers from both things together, will give you the final picture, the final answer. So I think that will be a very nice cooperation. I think we will be very proud once the thing is flying and once the thing is installed and delivers the first data, because it shows that the space station is also there for science. And this will be the biggest science experiment on the space station. So this is an exciting moment, I think, for basic science.